My name is Andrina Grimm. I'm a bachelor's student in mechanical engineering at ETH Zurich, and I'm responsible for the mechanical team in Project Diana. Project Diana is a ETH Zurich project which started last autumn. It is a robotics project. We work in the fields of animatronics, where we fusion animation and robotics together. So the goal is to create a character, which, as you can see, it is a character that moves on its own, which is still in progress. And this is also why the project is not finished yet. I worked on the implementation of the shell, which are all the aesthetic parts around, how to attach them to the robot and manufacture them. We use 3D printing for its design freedom. You can take any interfaces from one hole to the other and you can connect them in a nice way, not only in a straight line, but also curves, adding a character and a feeling to the whole body. We are using 3 different kinds of 3D printing materials. The first one is the multi-jet fusion. We have also PLA, and we use selective laser sintering, SLS, for our shell. So we use the Sintertec technology for our thighs. These parts have a high risk of breaking if Diana falls over, and that's why we also have a second batch, so we can exchange parts quickly. We used PA12 as material, and we got a lot of design freedom, as you can see. We get curves, and we can also create our mechanical interfaces with clear lines and surfaces, which are very helpful to mount the part. We didn't need to sand off the surfaces because we already had nice surfaces, and then we could add on the color and the layers with the lac, which was hard to do with the multi-jet fusion parts. So that is a clear advantage of using this kind of material. In our project, we showed that it is possible to use 3D printing as a shell for a robot, which has not been done before. Before, thermoplast has been used. And with 3D printing, we still have sturdy parts, but that are also flexible and that do not break in case of impact. So there's a huge potential in the design and the whole character, because we want to build characters in the real world, and we create a system where you can add different characters and have different emotions shown on a robot. And we're very happy about what we achieved in 9 months and excited about where we're going to be in a year or more.